Merry Christmas from the Bureau with your national weather forecast for tomorrow. So that's Wednesday, the 25th of December. And I'll also be touching on the Boxing Day forecast as well. But we'll start off by looking at tomorrow's weather map. Here we have a trough that's moving across southern parts of the country with very hot, dry and gusty northerly winds ahead of it and much cooler southerly winds behind it. There's also this trough that's brushing through the southern parts of WA while out in the east. This ridge of high pressure gradually moving into the Tasman Sea and turning the winds more warm and northerly. So we'll take a closer look at what's happening for Christmas Day across Queensland. Fine and mostly sunny right across the south and the west. Partly cloudy conditions with showers in an onshore flow about the central and northern coasts and hit and miss storms about the central and northern interior and also the western Cape York Peninsula. For Brisbane, Christmas Day will be sunny with a maximum of 30 degrees. For New South Wales, a fine and mostly sunny day right across the state with daytime temperatures between 2 to 4 degrees above average. Hazardous surf is expected for the Sydney, the Hunter and the Macquarie coasts, while for the Sydney it's going to be a sunny day and a top of 27 degrees, warmer about the western suburbs, edging up to the low 30s. For Canberra, a sunny day as well and a top of 31. Down in Victoria, we've got a fine and mostly sunny day right across the state with afternoon coastal sea breezes. For Melbourne, some morning fog patches are possible about the northwestern suburbs, clearing to a sunny day and a top of 31 degrees. Down in Tasmania, a mostly dry day apart from just some isolated morning showers. For Hobart, a partly cloudy day and a top of 23 degrees. Now for South Australia, it's going to be a very hot day with hot, dry and gusty northerly winds, elevating fire dangers right across southern parts, including the Mount Lofty ranges. A much cooler, gusty southwesterly change will push in from the west later during the day. For Adelaide, a sunny day with a top of 37 degrees, a huge difference compared to last Christmas where it only got up to 19.7. Over in WA, hot in the north, much cooler through central and southern parts, becoming very windy about the west coast and just some isolated showers about the south coast. Possible storms through the goldfields and also through the southeast with very little rain and dry lightning possible. Shifting the focus to the north, those typical humid conditions with showers and storms, most likely during the afternoon and evening. As we head into the interior, extreme heat with maximum temperatures in the low 40s. And just taking a peek at Boxing Day, we've got very hot conditions expected through southeastern parts of the country with strong and gusty northerly winds elevating the fire dangers throughout southeastern parts of South Australia and much of Victoria. Now a cold front will bring a gusty southwesterly change with some isolated showers behind it. Melbourne, we're forecasting a top of 39 degrees with that front expected to move through at this stage around 8 p.m. Now for Adelaide, the top of 31 degrees is actually during the morning. So for the majority of the dates, it will be more sitting around the mid-20s. For Hobart, a hot and windy day, a top of 30 degrees. However, as we head further east, Sydney, fine and sunny, 29 degrees. Brisbane, fine and sunny and 30. And while out west towards Perth, we've got a sunny day and a top of 26. So if you're wanting to know more about the weather in your local area, you can head to the Bureau's website, the app or social media. Otherwise, we'll see you again next time. Have a great Christmas.